So welcome guys to my kitchen and I'm from Liberia. Today we are going to cook some potato greens, to be precise, fried potato greens. So I'm getting all of my ingredients set. So just follow along and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wash and clean. So make sure you season them well according to your taste. Now we got our potato greens in the bag. We got this from the African store. So here you have to put your oil in the pot and let it get hot. Here I'm cutting out of my onions, wash them well, cut my onions and my bell pepper. Sometimes I use the blender, but hey, I love to do it my real African way to chopping them up with the kitchen knife. So yeah, after chopping them off, I had to put them on the potato greens, fry my fish, and after frying my fish, I usually use coconut oil to give it a real good taste. You can try this, use a coconut oil sometimes along with the vegetable oil. It gives the soup that taste that you'll never forget. Yes, so you have to allow it to fry good or fry well or cooked well before you start to put some of your, seasoning on them. Season it according to your own taste. Yes. After it fry, you cover it for maybe 5 minutes. And then now you can pour your ingredients or your meat that you parboil on the side. So, and then after that, you have to cover it again. Open it, stir. Make sure it doesn't, burn from under. So, this is exactly what I'm doing. After stirring, close it. Boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. And this is a pepper sauce that I made that I usually cook with all of my, soup. And yeah, this is it. We are almost there. Fried potato greens. Have you eaten fried potato greens? Have you cooked fried potato greens? You can comment down below. And I hear people saying when I cook, I don't eat for me. When I cook, I do eat because I love my food.